All right, you're probably saying it's dark, huh? It is. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm getting ready to do the light test on my absorption refrigerator. All right, so here, turn it around. I put a big old light there, like there you go. That one, and that big old one down there. So what you do is you close it, and you go around. You look. Well, look at that. Wherever light's coming out, that means you're getting hot air in and condensation. And we'll go down here slowly. Right, okay, slowly. And we'll look underneath. Let me get down on the floor here. Wait a minute, before I get down on the floor, let's do the top. Make this easier. But there's another one right there. All right, so let's look. You can do the freezer the same way. And it's kind of hard to tell what I'm doing. I'm going alongside the refrigerator, right where the door is. Okay, now we're going to go on the bottom. Folks, the refrigerator seals on these are not magnetic. It's a plastic bucket that it sits in. So here, we're going to go down here. This is where it joins. Well, you can see a big hole right there. See my finger, my hand? Look at that. All right, so I'm losing a little look. Oh, we're getting it. Look. Oh my God. Look at that. We got some light, folks. Up. I see the light. There you go. Anyway, now I'm going to go down here on the floor. So what I do occasionally is I pull my seals. I'll show you what I mean a little bit. Ah, look at that. So that's a lot, folks. I could push on the refrigerator. Yeah, I did. Nothing changed. All right, so my seals are getting compressed. So you've got to uncompress them. Oh, let me get up here. Yeah, I'm 65 and all beat up, and who cares? All right, I'll turn on some lights here. Show you what I did. All right. Oh, I hit the wrong button. All right. So basically, you saw the light coming out of here. You can see it there without the light, with the lights on. All right, and then down there, and a little bit there. Now, I haven't done the freezers yet, but I'm going to show you here. Let's turn some lights on here. All right. Remember I showed you a video, I did all that there, backsplash and all the seals up there. Anyway, so this keeps getting compressed. All I do is I take it and I go around and I pull it out like that. If it rips, well, then it was dry rotted. Another one you can do is you cut right into here and you put a eighth inch or quarter-inch foam bead. It comes like string, foam string, and that pushes this out like this. All right, you can buy some of these new seals. Some of these, they just want to sell you the whole darn door. So all I do is I pull them out every now and then. Right, pull them out. Don't get crazy because you can pull them out of where they're in. Right, and on top, nobody pays attention to that. Right, there you go. So I have fun. There you go. Right now, it looks like maybe that ain't flipping over. Let's see. See if that's flipping over, right? Maybe that's one of the problems. Goes in, flip. Yep, it is. See, right here's the seal. Right, and on top, look. See, it's compressed. I can make another video, but I'll go around and uncompress all this, right? All right, you can actually pull it out, put a little piece of wedge right there, make it hold. Or you can just cut it like right in here. All right, cut it and put that foam in there. It's a foam string. All right, like a shoestring, a little bit bigger, right? All the way around. So the light test, I haven't done the freezer yet, but I'm just trying to show you. Yeah, there's a dollar bill test out there, but you know, I haven't seen that as accurate as this test. This will show you where the leaks are. So, one, if you get it all sealed up, it works less. It uses less propane, less electricity, and condensation don't build up on that. Now mine, I can't really tell because I got that 3-fan system. I did a video on that. There's even a light on that, which wasn't powerful enough for it. There you go. Boy, that's that's powerful. Okay, hold on. Let me get this one out of here. Turn that off. All right. So there. That ain't a lot of light, right? So this one here that's in here, it gets hot. So I don't use that one anymore. This is an LED. That's good enough. I can open the refrigerator and see what I'm doing. But folks, every now and then you got to pull your seal, or you can go up. It's a little bit harder, but up in here. That's a song. Up in here, up in here. See, right in there. Right back in there. You could put that foam, and it'll keep the seal pushed out. All right, that's another way of doing it. But I like to get them in the corners, a little bit of a bear, right in there. So you could do it here, but you have to cut, slide it down, or you can do it in the back, but you'd have to put a little adhesive there because some, in and out, the darn thing's going to fall out of there. So there, show you how to keep your refrigerator airtight. All right, if it's airtight, it's not losing cooling, it's not working as much, and you're not condensating, building up moisture inside. Use a very, very, very strong light. Turn all the lights off in the coach and have fun. All right. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. How to properly test your refrigerator absorbent door seals. Now, in your residential refrigerator, a lot of them are magnetized because they go up against metal. You still might want to check them. You know what I mean? I know you go, oh, there's a light inside, but every time you shut the door, the light goes off. So put a super bright light like I got right there, one of them camping lights. All the campers around you are pissed off because, it looks like solar eclipse going on over there. Anyway, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget, I got a stay while you get your RV repaired campground, 50 amp water and sewage. What else? You can come in, work on your RV with me, and save a lot of money that way. And the important part is learn. Also, I got a school to go everything over your RV. And you can make personal videos, and you have that information for a long time. Heck, even mine kind of broke down. We were going to the Beaver Dam. We're supposed to be there. Well, tomorrow, actually, it starts. But I was going to go with my wife one day earlier to Battlefield Store over there somewhere on Virginia. And then a 2-hour we'd travel east to go to the Virginia Beach. And my one battery got overcharged. So I don't have an amp meter built into the gauge. And I'm not going to put one of them cheesy, $16.99 from Amazon ones. I'm getting a professional amp gauge, install it, run the wires all the way in the back, blah, blah, blah. There you go. And it's called a shunt, right? And I had to make a decision. One, it pulled the battery over. Was it the alternator putting out too much amperage? Was it the battery that dead shorted? Well, luckily I had 2 of those batteries. I showed you before. I got like 14 years out of the last set. AGMs, Odysseys. And it did fry. One of them fried it. So it's all right. I got parts coming to fix everything. And I got to wait till Friday, which I ain't going to be here anyway. But I'll come back Saturday from Beaver Dam meeting. And now I don't have my beaver with me. Isn't that weird? Anyway, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.